Alright, welcome back. Check this thing out. This is the Giriaitus. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. 10-in-1 multi-tool. Just give you a quick look at the box. The box is actually pretty nice. Some of the information about it on the back. Pop it open. Pamphlet inside. Some more of the information. And the tool itself. Surrounded by the foam. Like I said, the packaging's pretty nice. And here's the tool itself. Up here is your pry bar. Got the bottle opener. Got the wrench part up here for various sizes. Some knurling up in here for extra grip. It's got a little indentation right here. So if you're holding it up on here, you get your finger right underneath. And those knurlings on top for the extra traction or grip. This is what they call the 360 rotating warehouse, where your bits are held. Get it out. It's a little more difficult with the gloves on. There we go. So it comes with one Phillips. You can see it's got the magnet in there. And the same thing on this side with the Phillips head. Magnet as well. Try not to knock the camera around. That spins all the way around. And over here is the ratcheting part where your bits go, and your switch, the bi-directional. On the bottom, got a metal pen. Set this down for a second. Almost looks like this has some sort of bottle opener on it as well. The tip is removable. Again, it's hard with the gloves on. As you can see, it's coming off. So you can replace it. Now, I didn't see a replacement tip in the box, but it can be replaced. On the bottom there, you got 3 magnets holding this in place. Snaps in nice. And the other side for your belt clip. All in all, it's pretty cool tool for EDC toolbox. Good for a lot of different things. Pop open your paint cans. Bottle opener will come in handy. There you go, pretty cool. Alright, that's it for the Giriaitus 10-in-1 multi-tool. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.